good and stoked up.
And then I'm going to put it in Tom's face here like this. And that's how we get ready for Tuesday Night Q.
Absolutely.
Range is going hot.
Hey, you need to come back this way, though.
In other words, get the fuck out of my range. Load make ready.
You already said.
So Dan, I got you going after this,
It's Q and a whole bunch.
Okay.
Yep, pretty much.
if you're okay with it.
You ready, Dick? Or Tom? Whoever the hell you are.
Yeah.
Stand by. Finish and load from the clear. Slide down, hammer down, holster.
I give up. I'll take the +5.
If you are finished, unload and show clear, hammer down, holster.